How to turn off new followers notifications on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off new followers notifications on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on those three lines up there. Once you are instant in privacy, you're gonna find push notifications. Click on it. On interactions option, you're gonna find the option number 3, which is new followers. You can turn off this option or turn it on wherever you want, but you should know when you turn off this option you are never gonna receive new followers notifications on your account, on your inbox, exactly here. You are not gonna find those notifications like this user start following you. You're not gonna receive those notifications to know your new followers. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.